guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a unboxing and first impression video for Issey Miyake Nuit d'Essai Polaris. This is the front of the box, side, back. Now I got this fragrance for about 75 USD. I heard I got it on sale. Normally you pay more for fragrances or anything in general here in the Caribbean because of import duties and taxes, especially shipping costs, right? Right, so this is the bottle, back, there's some writing. Very dark on the bottom, the sticker. Well, it's not really a sticker, it's actually printed on the bottle. This is the cap. Pretty nice cap. Waste a couple sprays here for you guys. Interesting. So it's more woody than the other flankers in the Nuit d'Essai line. It's actually closer to the original Nuit d'Essai. It's more woody, it's more fresh and spicy. You can smell a lot more of a vanilla in this too. I'm not getting much oud in it. I think this is the first fragrance that Issey Miyake has done with oud in it as well. But I like what I smell so far. It's much better, in my opinion, to Pulse of the Night. I can't wait to try this on skin, but so far, it smells really nice. You can smell the black pepper and the cypress, which gives it that woody feeling, smell. And like I say, it's more fresh and spicy, and I guess more sweet. Not too sweet though than Pulse of the Night. This is what I thought Pulse of the Night might have smelled like originally. But yeah, so far so good. I can't wait to try it on skin, like I say. Look forward to the review. Please continue to like and subscribe, and comment below if you own this particular fragrance or any of the other flankers in the Nuit d'Essai line. Alright guys, thanks for your time. Bye.